31, that is phrasal verbs. Read the following sentences, paying attention to the expressions in italics. Now, after 4 attempts, Nadia gave up. We requested them to put off the match as some of our players were ill. Now here it is called as phrasal verbs. Phrase मतलब क्या होता है, कोई मुहावरे जैसा जो हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में, और verbs यानी the action which we are doing. So what you are saying, it won't be the exact meaning what we think it would be. Okay. After 4 attempts, Nadia gave up means Nadia ने कुछ दिया नहीं. Gave up means she left the player, कि उसने 4 अटेम्प्ट किया और फिर उसने छोड़ दिया, फिर उसने आगे कोई अटेम्प्ट किया ही नहीं. We request them to put off the match as some of our players were ill. Put off यानी किसी को बंद करना नहीं. Put off यानी खत्म कर देना कि मैच अभी नहीं चाहिए, आगे हमें नहीं करना है, बिकॉज काफी सारे प्लेयर्स ill थे, उसका मीनिंग. सो देर इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वर्ब एंड द preposition. See, up, down, off, in, out, all these words are of prepositions, and gave, put, जो हम action करते हैं, all these are verbs. So in this chapter it is the combination of the both, that is phrasal and the verbs. The italicized expression are combination of a verb and a preposition. Their meanings are different from those of the verbs in them. Give up means stop trying, कि आगे और कोशिश करना छोड़ देना. Put off means postpone, मतलब बंद करना नहीं, आगे का गेम postpone कर देना. So these expressions are called phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a particle. Particle means a preposition or an adverb that changes the meaning of the verb to make a new verb. Now, it is a combination of both a verb and a preposition. Preposition shows us the place and positions of the noun or the subject, and verb shows us the action of the subject. But when it comes together, when it is a combination of together, then its meaning changes fully. It doesn't go with the verb or it doesn't go with the phrase. उसका meaning पूरी तरीके से ही change हो जाता है. Who will look after these children? So look after means what? Take care of. What is the meaning of look after? The meaning of look after is take care of. So like that, there are below, they have given a lot of phrasal verbs and their meanings. Okay, so I will just read it out for you, and the PDF I will send with the video. Given below is a list of phrasal verbs with their meanings. Ask around. Ask around means ask many people the same question. When we are asking many people the same question, that is the meaning of ask around. Meeta asked around if anyone had seen Adarsh. Back up means reserve. Back up your food packet so that we can open it in afternoon, means reserving it, बचा के रखना. Blow up, explode. The helicopter blew up after a hit a tree. Now blow up or break down, to broke down, all these will be changes will be there in the verbs to fit into the sentence, कि वो sentence में वो meaning properly fit हो सके, उस वजह से वो changes भी वहां पे occur जरूर होगा. Break down, stop functioning or become upset. We had to walk 5 kilometers after our bus broke down midway. The old man broke down after hearing about his son's arrest. Bring up, raise a child. To bring up a child, we say na, how to bring up a child. To bring up a child means उसको उठा के ऊपर रखना नहीं. Bring up a child means raising up a child. Sudhir was brought up by his uncle. Call off, that means cancel. Call on, that means to visit somebody. Call up means phone करना. Calm down, that is means relax after being angry. अगर हम बहुत गुस्से में हैं तो हमें बोलते हैं ना लोग calm down, शांत रहो. That is the meaning of calm down. Cheer up, become happy or make somebody happy. Cheering up or cheered up, खुद ही cheer होना या किसी को cheer up करना. Come across, find something, that is unexpectedly. I come across the minister, so that was unexpected to me. So वो मतलब एक एग्जाम्पल है कि हम जो अनएक्सपेक्टेडली हमारे साथ होता है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं कम अक्रॉस. डू अवे विथ, डिस्कार्ड. डिस्कार्ड मतलब फेंक देना या छोड़ देना. जैसे व्हाई डोंट यू डू अवे विथ दिस ओल्ड कार्टून्स, मतलब उसको डिस्कार्ड कर देना, हटा ही देना, हमेशा के लिए अपने घर से या जो भी साफ सफाई कर रहे उसमें. Drop out, to quit school, we say na, we dropped out so and so year. Eat out, eat at a restaurant, we shall go and eat out, हम बोलते हैं ना. So that is the meaning, going out and eating something. Find out, डिस्कवरिंग समथिंग, हम किसी चीज को ढूंढते हैं या हमने किसी चीज को ढूंढा या हमारे मन में कोई चीज हम ढूंढने के लिए घूम रहे हैं, तो दैट इज मीनिंग ऑफ फाइंड आउट. गेट अलोंग, like each other, means you have your best friend, you get along with that only person. You cannot get along with everybody. हम हर किसी से एक जैसे नहीं रह सकते, so we are getting along with the person whom we like. So liking each other means getting along with each other. Get back means returning from somewhere, that is the meaning, get back. Get up, so get up out of your bed, or when you are sleeping somebody is telling you to get up, means to get up from your bed. Give up, give up means stop trying. If you are doing something and we constantly, if you are doing something and you are tired of it, so we are giving up on it, so that is give up. Grow up means become an adult, कि बड़े हो रहे हो, you are growing up. Hold on, that is wait for a minute. You have to wait for a minute, you have to hold on. Hang up means ending up a phone call. अगर हम गुस्से में हो या जैसे भी हो, अगर हम फोन को बंद कर देते हैं तो उसे हम कहते हैं hang up. Look for, try to find. I am looking for a belt to match my dress. So look up, search and find information using a reference book. So please look up Rahman's number in the telephone directory. Make up with someone, become friends again after disagreement. Make up with someone, अगर हमने किसी से हमारा झगड़ा हुआ या कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ या जस्ट एक डिसएग्रीमेंट था कि आपको जो लग रहा है आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और सामने वाले के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैच नहीं कर रहा, दैट इज जस्ट अ डिसएग्रीमेंट. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू टॉक टू ईच अदर, यू बिकम फ्रेंड्स अगेन, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेकअप. पास अवे मीन्स डाई. कोई किसी की डेथ हो जाती है तो हम बोलते हैं ही और शी इज पास्ड अवे. पास आउट मीन्स फेंट, कभी चक्कर आके गिर जाते ना, तो द नेक्स्ट वर्ड वी यूज कि वो पास आउट हो गई थी, कि खड़े खड़े गिर गई, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड पास आउट. पुट ऑफ, पुट ऑफ मीन्स टू पोस्टपोन, कोई चीज को आगे खींचना, दैट इज पुट ऑफ. पुट आउट मीन्स एक्सटिंग्विश, कि हम जैसे सुने ना, पुट आउट द फायर इन द वार्डरोब विद अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर, किसी चीज को एक्सटिंग्विश करना मतलब बंद करना, रोक देना. जैसे फायर हो रहा है तो हम उसमें पानी डाल के उसको बुझा देते हैं, तो टू एक्सटिंग्विश समथिंग, टू बुझा देना किसी चीज को. पुट ऑन मतलब टू वेयर समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड पुट ऑन. Run into, meet somebody unexpectedly. I ran into the principals yesterday at the market. So you meet unexpectedly. Set out means beginning of a journey. You are beginning on a journey of something, so you can set off. Take after, resemble a family member. Priya take after her mother means they both like dancing. कि अगर हम कोई हमारे फैमिली मेंबर का हमारे पास कोई बिहेवियर है या हम उनके जैसे दिखते हैं, तो दैट इज टेक आफ्टर, कि उसके बाद तो यही है ऐसा. टेक ऑफ, दैट इज स्टार्ट टू फ्लाई, कि हम अगर फ्लाइट में जा रहे हैं तो हम वही बोलते हैं ना, द प्लेन टुक ऑफ एट 6, सो दैट इज द मीनिंग. टर्न डाउन, दैट इज द मीनिंग टू रिफ्यूज समथिंग. टर्न अप, अपीयर सडनली, एकदम से कोई हमारे सामने दिख जाता है तो टर्न अप, सो अपीयर सडनली. वर्कआउट मीन्स एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ड्स नाउ यूज्ड फॉर इट. So here it is exercise, fill in the blanks in the following sentence using the correct phrasal verb. I will give you this in the PDF. They have given the brackets. You have to see which bracket is, which answer is for which one. So according to that, you have to put the answer. Now here it is, write the meaning of the phrasal verb and then use them in your own sentence. Meaning of the verbs I will give you, but sentence you have to make your own. Okay? Meaning मैं आपको दूंगी, बस sentence आपको खुद को ही बनाना है. Find out and write the meanings of the phrasal verb using a dictionary. This also actually ये आपको खुद को करना है, but for now I will give you the meanings, but according to the meaning you will make the sentences of your own by yourself. And remember, whenever you are making a sentence of your own, you have to put this word, not the meaning. जो set out का meaning होगा उस word को meaning में नहीं डालना है, set out आना चाहिए उस sentence में. So you have to make the sentence also accordingly, जिसमें तुम ये meaning को ये वर्ड को डाल सको उसका मीनिंग जानने के हिसाब से। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो टुडे आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस recording, this file and PDF because of some network issue going on. So that's why today only I am sending you this recording जैसा हम पहले भेजते थे। Rest our online class will be regular, जैसे हमारा चलता है वैसे ही चलता रहेगा। Okay, thank you so much.